And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a negative space letter logo. Let us create a line first with the Bezier tool. I'll hold Ctrl when I click these 2 points to have a straight line. Under Object, Fill and Stroke, I've got a flat color, and under Stroke Style, I'll increase the width. Let me try 20, it's fine. I'll press Ctrl D. I've got a copy, I'll drag that to the right side holding Ctrl. Select both, extensions, generate from path and interpolate. Exponent is 0, and interpolation method 1, and the steps, they determine how many steps we've got. So let me go upwards, maybe to 30. If you get a warning message, just click OK, it should still work. I click on Apply. You need to reselect it all. Then click on it again and rotate it while holding Ctrl. Maybe up to this angle. Keep in mind it's still a group, you can see that at the bottom. So we need to go to Object and Ungroup. Select it all, then Path, Union. And now it's a path and we can work further with it. But it's just a stroke, so we need to turn the stroke into a path. Once again, under path you can do that. Let us create a rectangle. I'll hold Ctrl when I drag that. Let me give it a red color. I'll size that slightly down. I'll reposition that. Let me turn off the snapping right here. I'll put that to the bottom. Now I want to create these cutouts, so where the lines are. The rectangle is still selected, I go to Path and Object to Path. Now I selected all, Path and Difference. And this is how we can create this cutout effect for the rectangle. Let me make that black. And now I use the Type tool, type in a letter. Let me pick B for Brig. I'll make that red so that we can see it properly, and I'll put it right here. I'll hold Ctrl and I size that up and down. So now I want to turn this into a negative shape as well. Select the letter, and at first we go to Object to Path. But it's still grouped, even though it's just a single letter, so go to Ungroup, and now we can use it. So it's a little bit tricky, because it's not really a group of letters, but we still have to ungroup it. Just check the bottom line, and it will indicate once we've got a path. Now select it all, Object, Difference. Let me create a rectangle in the background to show you that it's really a negative shape and not just white. So this is how you can achieve that effect in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.